Yeah, today we will discuss the design option in Revit, how the design option we can use and what is the purpose of it. So for the design option, you can go the Manage tab. Here you will find design option. As the name suggests, here what we can do, we can provide an options in design. Yeah, this is a exact meaning in words, but I'll show you the practical of it. Here you can see the layout for a particular bedroom. Okay, first of all I'll explain what is design option and just click it. Okay, here you can see main model and option set. I'll delete this first. Okay, okay, we can create a option set, new option set. So just create a new option set. Here we have one option. If you want other option, then click on the option 2. So this will be the option 1 and option 2. This is default primary option. If you want to assign a primary option 2, then you can make primary 2. Okay, so it is vice versa, either it depends on you, depends on the design. So I'll delete this first because we have option set first already there, and this is option 1 and option 2. Okay, so just close this tab. Here you can see main model and option 1 and option 2. Okay, now I'll explain why we are using this and how we can use this. For example, this is a bedroom and I need to route the bathroom pipeline for this. For example, I have a riser here and I have another option for here. So if I'm going to present someone or to the client that we have a two different option, what can be the result of these two, that time I can use two instead of two models, and instead of two sheets I can use the same layout for a two different design. Okay, so I'll explain. Main model, this is, if I click option 1, this is option 1. Okay, main model, you cannot edit the main model here. As you can see, I am not able to click it. This pipe is editable because this is my option 1. Okay, let's see option 2. This is my option 2. So I can show to the client or to my it it will it will help you to understand the requirement, and it will reduce your effort to make two different routines. You can just create that part and you can show the options. Same way, for example, I'll give you the different example of, for example, architectural design. There is a one single design and we have a two different location for staircases. That time you can use option design option for a particular one staircase location and other staircase location. It's just an example. Okay, yeah, I hope you will get this.